live tax training on the Gold Coast. G'day, Peter Johnson here from Advisors Digest. Every month at Advisors Digest, we do a 3-hour masterclass live training session in our office in Southport on the Gold Coast. And this month, our training is all about superannuation pensions. It's not just about SMSFs, because you can get a pension from a retail fund as well. What do we cover in this 3-hour session? First of all, we look at the rules, what you need to do to make a pension a pension. When does a pension start? When does a pension cease? All the different types of pensions that you can pay. We then look at transfer balance caps and how death benefits move into pension phase and the transfer balance cap impacts of those. We look at the taxation of pensions, the taxation to the fund, the taxation to the pension recipient, and we then look at strategies to minimise taxes and maximise the amount your client has in pension phase. Want to find out more? Click on the button below. I look forward to seeing you in our pensions training.